Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how we can leave a Discord server from desktop computer. So let us guide you through this. Launch Discord, for example, on Google Chrome or any other web browser or through the desktop application. It works actually the same way. Log into your account, and here in the left panel you will see a list of all servers you have joined or that you own and run yourself. So navigate to the given server. Let me go with this one here. And after that, click into the server name in the top left corner. And after that, select Leave Server from that menu. And last but not least, confirm that by clicking into this button, and that is going to allow you to leave the given server. Just bear in mind, guys, that you won't be able to rejoin the server in this case here unless you're re-invited specifically by the given server. So make sure that you're 100% convinced to leave the given server. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.